Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fudge frosted brownies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then grease an 8 or 9-inch square baking pan and set it aside for now. Then to make the brownies, in a heat-proof bowl, add in the unsweetened chocolate and butter, and melt it over a double boiler or in the microwave until it's completely melted. Once it's completely melted, take it off the heat and add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined, and set it aside and let it cool to room temperature. Then in a large bowl, add in the eggs and sugar and whip them for 5 to 6 minutes until thick and pale. Then add in the chocolate mixture. Again, make sure it's cooled to room temperature, and sift in the flour and fold them all together until it's just combined and you don't see any more streaks of white. Don't overmix the batter and don't stir vigorously or you'll lose a lot of air. Then pour the batter into the prepared pan. Shake and tap the pan to level it out and to get rid of any air bubbles. And bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out almost clean but not completely clean. Try not to overbake them. While they're baking, you can make the fudge frosting. In a medium bowl, add in the melted butter and cocoa powder and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the vanilla extract and milk and whisk them in until well combined. Then sift in the powdered sugar. Start off mixing it by hand to combine the ingredients. Then beat it in with an electric mixer on a high speed for a few minutes until it's light and fluffy. Then finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. Once the brownies are done, remove them from the oven and place them onto a cooling rack and let them cool for 15 minutes. Then frost the brownies while they're still warm, or you can let it cool completely before frosting them. And if you like, you can also top it with sprinkles. And you can serve them still warm or cooled completely. And that's how to make fudge frosted brownies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.